Hello! Welcome again to another session of Regine Velasquez CD unboxing. Ayan. So, mega-upload ako ng mga unboxing kahit technically hindi naman talaga siya unboxing kasi na-unbox na siya eh. But I don't have any term to use. Ano ba? Ano bang dapat? Unboxing o show off? Charot. Anyway, so welcome back to another session of the CD unboxing, and this time we're going to discuss another CD, a rare type, a rare one. Medyo ang hirap talaga nito hanapin. Ang hirap niyang asamin. Alam mong pinapangarap mo siya pero hindi mo alam kung kailan mo siya makakamit. Parang ganun siya. I never thought that I could buy one pa kasi in the first place, they're claiming it's rare. But for me, I don't know. I don't know what to think kasi if this was released in 1996 or 1997 perhaps, why would it be rare? Kung recent lang naman siya na-release. Though not that very recent, it's just that how many units ba yung produce ni Polycosmic para masabing rare talaga siya? We just simply don't know because yun nga, hindi na siya available sa market. Maybe only those people who were able to buy these CDs, this CD at the time that it was out for sale, who could attest how many copies were put in the shelves at that time. So, there. Currently, it's rare because you cannot buy it outright in the record stores. First, because the physical stores are no longer existent. So, wala nang physical stores. Meron pa ata, pero hindi na siya yung mga official like yung Tower Records, yung mga sikat dati. Wala na kasing ganun ngayon eh. Mostly mga novelty or hobby shops na lang yung nag-i-exist. And you will not be able to find this CD anywhere else na parang andyan lang sa tabi-tabi. Yung parang bangkete lang. You cannot find this CD at all. There. So, actually, hindi ko naman alam na may ganitong CD si Inang until I did a little bit of research 20 years ago. So, as early as 2000, dun ko lang nalaman na may ganito pa pala siya. Kasi, it's, I think this is the last project that Ate Regine Velasquez had with Polygram Philippines. In fact, this is no longer under Polygram. It's just under Polycosmic. Kasi when you say Polygram, normally it would be a release internationally or in Southeast Asia. So when it's released by Polycosmic, that means it's for local only. So that's it. So I'm glad I was able to buy these. Was able to buy this CD from a collector na nag-give up din. Nakakalungkot talaga isipin that some collectors have to give up their collections for whatever reason they have. I didn't ask na the collector why he has to give up, but he is actually a famous collector, and nakakalungkot lang that he has to give it up knowing na hindi lang na rare siya. At the same time, medyo mahirap din siya bilhin kasi ang mahal niya. I bought it from him for 8,000 pesos. I had to haggle a little bit. Medyo ang sakit sa bulsa because I also borrowed the money from my credit card to buy it. Nakakalungkot. Pero it's worth it kasi inaasam-asam mo naman siya. And if you have the means to buy it, why not? For Regine Velasquez, it's all worth it. Charot. So, yun, nakakalungkot. Actually, I witnessed a lot of collectors that gave up their collections, especially when pandemic hits. bumaha talaga ng koleksyon na binebenta online. As in, pre-pandemic, ang mamahal ng benta, 15K, 20K. Tapos biglang bagsak presyo ng pandemic. Mahal pa rin siya nung pandemic, like, I saw Regine Velasquez's debut album being sold at 6,000, 8,000, where pre-pandemic it was sold around 15 to 20. Nakakasuka. It's like a daylight robbery sale, but pre-pandemic talaga ang mamahal ng benta. Pero during pandemic, everyone was hit economically and they have to give up whatever collections they have to get some source of funds just to, you know, surpass the pandemic and difficulty of having money during that time. So there. So anyway, let's go to discussing the CD. So this is the cover. Nice. Ang galing nung nag-collect kasi ang pristine pa, although may mga konting bakas na ng molds, ayan o, may puti-puti na siya. It's a sign that it was stored for a long period of time. And if you have a vast collection of CDs and cassettes, one challenge that you will have to face is maintaining them free from molds. And I have few cassettes now na minomold na siya, but I don't have time. Ang hirap din magtanggal ng molds kasi hindi lang kasi yung cassette yung lilinisin mo, pati yung cassette player mismo. And you don't have to do it once. You have to do it several times in every 3 to 6 months ideally para matanggal yung molds. But there. Anyway. So this is Songs from Adarna Mythical Birds. So it features Regine Velasquez, Martin Rivera, and The Youth. So a CD single, special limited edition, sponsored by Mr. Donut. So this is it's a mini gatefold again, so it's an open booklet type. Yeah, it shows the lyrics of the songs. I think there are only 3. No, there are 4. Hindi kasama dito yung lyrics nung sa The Youth. Although there are 6 cuts in here. Ang simple lang ng cover leaf niya. First track is Touched by Your Love. It's a duet with Martin Rivera. And arranged by Mel Villena. Hindi ko na siya nakikita lately, pero kinuha siya ata nung nalasa singling as one of the judges. Nagmamahal is a song in Tagalog of Touched by Your Love. Para siyang Tagalog version ng Touched by Your Love. Favorite ko dito is Believe It. Ang ganda ng song na to. It's an inspirational song. I like it because it gives you strength whenever you're losing hope. And ang mellow song siya. And ang ganda ng pagkakanta dito ni Inang. Ang ganda ng boses niya. Alam mo yung pampatulog, pampakalma talaga siya. Para sa akin, ito yung pinaka-highlight talaga ng CD na to. Ng official soundtrack ng Adarna, ng Believe It. Halakhak, The Youth. Hindi ako mahilig sa metal. Metal or, ano ba to, hard rock. Pero napakinggan ko na. Hindi ko bet. Though The Youth is one of the famous bands in the late 90s. Ayan, nadidefocus. Itim kasi. Ano kaya to? Ayan. Touched by Your Love, -1 I think. -1 ba to? Nagmamahal. Oo, -1. Then, -1 ang Believe It as well. Pag itim talaga, nagdi-defocus yung camera sa iPhone SE 2. How? Paano kaya to? Sige, basahin ko na lang. Executive producers Chito Elagan and Ramon Chuaying. Ramon Chuaying. It could be because may white kasi in the background, so hindi. Producers Chito Elagan, The Youth. Oh! recording studios, Pink Noise Recording Studio and Tracks. Sa Green Hills tong Pink Noise. I'm not sure if the Pink Noise Recording Studio is still operating. Sikat, most na mga kanta ni Inang sa in the late part of 1990s album, nagsa-start na siyang mag-record sa Pink Noise Recording Studio. It was in Green Hills. I'm not sure kung existent pa rin yung recording studio na ito. Ayaw niya sorry guys. Ayaw niya mag-focus. Ayan. Siguro tanggalin natin yung white. Guitar by Jano Villanueva. Recording engineers, June Reyes. A project of Guiding Light Productions and Polycosmic Records. There, layo ko na lang, nagpo-focus siya. Pag itim talaga, hindi siya nagpo-focus. This is the CD. Fairness, high quality naman yung printing. Hindi siya nababakbak. Hindi siya papel, by the way. A first Filipino full-length animation movie, Songs from Adarna, The Mythical Bird. This was in 1997. Mas nauna pa ata yung Do Re Mi kasi mahaba na yung book dito sa Adarna eh. Nagpe-prepare na siya dito to transition to Viva. Patapos na yung contract niya kay Polygram. 1997 na kasi. Early 1997 yung Do Re Mi kasi. Nauna yung Wanted Perfect Mother. May clip pa kasi yung book niya. Then, itong Adarna plus yung Do Re Mi. Late 1997. So, dito nag-appear pa yung original voice niya sa Adarna. Pero dun sa Do Re Mi, wala talaga. Kasi, hindi pwede sa contract niya na mag-appear doon. Kaya, ayun. Ibang ghost singer yung ginamit nila sa voice niya doon sa Do Re Mi. This is the back portion of the CD. Manufactured and distributed in the Philippines by Polycosmic Records. Wrong grammar pa yung manufacture. Oh. Malamang hindi nila na kulang ng D. I'm not sure kung minadali or what. Polycosmic. Pero ang ganda ng quality ng Ganda ng quality ng mga covers niya. Hiningatan talaga ng may-ari. Wala halos gas-gas eh. Kung meron man hairline, outside the tracks na. Kayo, did you have the chance to have this CD? Hope everyone could have this kasi ang sobrang rare niya. Ang mahal pa if ever one would show up in the market. Be soldiered on together with so many dreams to forever, never to stop living life though it seems all I know. Believe it and you shall be. Believe it so you can see a brighter day in this world we live upon. Ooh, believe it now with me. Diyos ko, madaling araw nag-iingay ako. Anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this rare CD, Songs from Adarna, The Mythical Bird by Regine Velasquez. See you next time on the next unbox session. Bye!